let's begin in Balasana. So I'm going to meet you at one end of your mat. So if you can stay whichever end of the mat, keeping your knees together. Sometimes in Balasana we do it with the knees apart, but today we're going to do it with our knees together. Right, toes touching, heels apart, and just allow your head to come to the floor. Your hands can go onto either side of your body and just allow your whole body to rest. The reason we often start in Balasana is that it gives our nervous system a chance to relax. So we're just staying here for another 5 to feel really grounded with our head to the earth. And you can use this time to set an intention for the practice. What is it that you want to gain out of these next 10 to 15 minutes? And if no intention comes to your mind, I invite you to share my intention of doing this practice mindfully. Staying here for another 3. Taking deep breaths. For 2 and for 1. Slowly, without any rush, without any hurry in the world, you can use your hands to help prop up your upper body.
Few more variations in the downward dog. Push back, lift the hips up, and we've come to downward dog. Let's twist out the dog. As you bend the right knee, start to look under the right arm. So nicely taking a good twist over here. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let's do it on the other side. Bend the left knee and look under the left arm. Take it back. Now we'll do it on opposite sides. So as you bend the right knee, look up from under the left arm. Okay, so as you bend the right, look up from the opposite arm and get a good nice twist in the waist, in your upper back. A deep breath in, a deep exhale out. Take it back, bend the left knee, look up from under the right arm. And take it back. Let's come to a 3-legged dog position. This will be our last variation for today. Take the left leg to the center and lift the right leg up. As high as you can go, okay, even if it's just so much. But avoid the hip to tilt. Keep the hip facing down on the mat and straighten the leg. Let's stay here for 5 breaths. 1, 2, deep breathing. 3, 4, and 5. Let it go. Let's do it on the other side. You have to take the right leg to the center. It will give you good balance. And then let's take the left leg up. Hold it there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.